Hi, I'm Sandy and I'm going to show you how to make your own sprout house. You'll need a Ziploc bag or a clear produce bag like you get from the grocery store, any kind of paper or cardboard you have laying around the house, maybe a pencil, glue stick, scissors, tape, cotton balls. If you don't have cotton balls, you could also use paper towels or napkins, and a cup of water, and most importantly, you'll need some seeds, preferably something like sunflowers or sweet peas. So you take your Ziploc bag and cotton balls, and you put the cotton balls in your water, soak up some of the water, squeeze out your extra water, and you put it in your Ziploc bag. And you take your seeds, which you have soaked overnight in the glass of water, so they sprout a little faster. You drop those into your Ziploc bag, close it up. This is going to be your greenhouse. And then you can work on your sprout house. So I took a book because it's square, and I traced on my cardboard, which I have done beforehand, but I'm going to show you. You trace out a square of some sort, and then you can cut out your square. You won't need that part. And here's my frame for my sprout house. I took a piece of cardboard off of this Kleenex box to make a roof for my sprout house. And then you take your bag full of seeds and cotton balls, you tape it to the frame of the sprout house you just made, and then all you need to do is find a sunny window in your house, tape it to your window, and then watch your seeds grow.